Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog. It is March 14th, 2018, and I've just checked my analytics. I am at 975 subscribers. Now I've gotten probably 114 over the past 28 days. Let's see. Wait for it to come up. But that's the way it goes. And I don't think I got any real results from doing the boosting my channel through Facebook. Now, if you're watching this and you discovered me through Facebook, please let me know, and that'll let me know that I actually pull some subscribers in through that. I spent $34 on boosting. It went out to 52,000 people, and I really didn't see in my analytics, comparing them to original, I really didn't see any real increase over the month. So let's see, let's go back down. Alright, we're in here, revenue. I want to go subscribers. It's something to watch your monthly estimate drop instead of go up. Each day you look at it, because it's dropping off the last 28 days at $114. It's slowly dropping down. Let's see. The last 28 days, I mean February 13th through the 6th, or February 13th through March 12th. I've got a total of 104 subscribers. I've lost 16 over the 28 days, and I've gotten a total of 88 solid. And that's kind of a shame, because I'm gonna change my strategy on my channel, and I'm going to give back to my subscribers. I'm going to bring more of that as soon as I might do it next week, depending on how fast I come again, because I'm going to should I say, I'm going to start putting a little bit of that income back into my subscribers. So anyway, that was in February. This month I'm gonna jump, and this is March 1st through the 12th. I've gotten a total of 37 subscribers for the month, and I've lost 9. 9 have dropped out on me, so I've gotten a total of 28 subscribers this month. And you're gonna lose subscribers if you're somebody that's watching this, has their own channel and they're building it. You're gonna lose subscribers. It's just the way it is. So I'm gaining between 3 and 4 a day now, and then again between the 1st of March and March 12th, I've lost 9. So I'm almost losing a subscriber a day, and gaining a subscriber, or two subscribers a day. And going to this week alone, I've gained 7 subscribers, but I've lost 3. So that gives me a total of 4 subscribers between the 11th and the 12th. So 2 a day. So what are you gonna do? You can't. You gotta. You just keep moving forward, and this is a business that you really can't predict. and all you can do is just put your videos up and do your best when you do it. And hey, March 4th through the 10th, because of the way YouTube does it, they do it in a 28 days. So you gotta look at your analytics and find out what that day they cut off, because it goes Saturday to Sunday. So it doesn't matter. It crosses right over to the next month. So that might be that may be the second when it's a Saturday or whatever, a Sunday when it cuts over. So the 4th through the 10th, I gained 21 subscribers that week, and I lost 4. So they gave me a total of 17 subscribers for that week. Again, that's the way it's gonna be. And so I figure it average of two a day, and I need 25 more. We're gonna be right around 12 days. That's gonna be about the 26th. 26. Well, probably by the end of the month, unless there's all of a sudden a drastic boost in subscribers. So if you're watching this, please subscribe. And like I said, I'm going to put back to my subscribers for subscribing. So, and I deeply appreciate it. Hopefully you're getting something out of my content. I guess for those who've gone on their way, they didn't get enough content from my videos. So again, I want to thank all the subscribers at this point, and hopefully I bring more interesting content in the future. And again, thank you very much.